Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you need to locate your unique TeamViewer ID to allow a remote connection to your computer, I will show you the exact steps to find it right now. Let's get started. First, open the TeamViewer application. If you are using the classic interface, stay on the Remote Control tab and look for the Your ID field in the center. In the new interface, click the Remote Support icon on the left sidebar. Your ID is a unique 9 or 10-digit number assigned specifically to your hardware. Next, if the main window is hidden, you can easily find your ID from the Windows taskbar. Look for the TeamViewer icon in the system tray near your clock and right-click it. Select the About TeamViewer option from the menu. A small window will appear displaying your exact ID along with your current software version. Finally, if the application interface is completely unresponsive, you can extract the ID directly from the system registry. Press the Windows key and the R key, type exactly regedit and hit Enter. Navigate through the folders on the left to HKey Local Machine, then Software, and click on TeamViewer. Look for the Client ID value on the right-hand panel to find your persistent ID. While these steps will help you locate your information, please keep a few important notes in mind. Your TeamViewer ID is generated by external servers, so if your computer has no internet access or is blocked by a firewall, the ID field may appear blank or show a dash. Also, your ID is permanently tied to your specific hardware, whereas the standard random password changes every time the software restarts. Never share your ID publicly, as it is the primary identifier needed for inbound connection attempts. Finally, accessing the Windows registry requires active administrator privileges. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.